Hey everybody, it's Travis with Food Forest Design, Minnesota, and just wanted to make a quick video today to talk about springtime and what that means for you if you are growing, if you have a big garden in your backyard, if you have a food forest, you have fruit trees, berry bushes that are not protected. This is for you because springtime is when deer activity is at its peak. So don't wait until your fruit trees are stripped bare before you do something. You want to get them protected before that. And what we do is we help food forest growers, orchardists, and gardeners protect what you have planted so you can harvest what you grow. And today's video is about a DIY invisible deer fence. And what I mean by invisible deer fence, it is a fence that when you are about 20 feet away, the further away from the fence you get, the more it blends in with the landscape and you don't even notice it's there. So you can protect everything in your property, your yard, whatever, and you can still have that beautiful view that you have without having a structure or a big ugly fence in the way. And but what we want to do is protect your yard from deer. And this DIY deer fence can be shipped right to your driveway with free shipping, and everything for the fence comes in a kit. It's dropped off by freight shipping right in your driveway, and it comes with full instructions on how to install it yourself, or you have the option of hiring Food Forest Design Minnesota to install the fence for you. Now, I'm going to leave a link below this video that will take you to my a page on my website where you can fill out a form to give me the dimensions of the area that you want to enclose with a deer fence. And within one business day, I'll get back to you with an estimate for what the fence will cost. You give me the measurements of the area. And there's a couple other questions for you in there about gates and what size gates you want for your fence. And I will get back to you with a price for that. And then also, if you want installation, I will also add that to your quote. But spring is here, and it's time to protect all that food you're growing in your yard. So visit Food Forest Design Minnesota at the link below this video. Fill out the form and let's get your yard protected. Now, if you are not following this channel, subscribe and like this video, which helps me out, helps other people see me, and it gets the word around. But also, if you want to design your backyard into a low maintenance, self-sustainable food forest ecosystem, and what I like to call, we will foodify your yard. So if you're interested in that, you can get a hold of me for that too. But anyway, have an amazing day, my friends. Grow food, not lawns. See ya.